everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. I'm so sorry it's been 2 or 3 weeks already that I have done a video on my channel, but I was so much occupied with Diwali cleaning and then celebrating and whatnot. I have shot few snippets of my Diwali vlog. I'll get around to edit it very soon and you'll get to see it very soon on my channel. Cross fingers for it, I do it very soon. Today I'll be doing this dark vampy lip winter glam look. I did this makeup look to show you guys that how I usually get ready when I go out for dates or for party, and even if you guys are planning to go out on party, because there will be a lot of parties going on this end of the year and also wedding parties and whatnot, so you guys can definitely pull this makeup off with dark vampy lips and flawless skin. First of all, before I begin, how fabulous are these lashes? I am obsessed and they are so inexpensive. You'll get to see them in the video itself, but I am obsessed. Though they are very fluffy and fluttery, but they are very comfortable on the eyes. Anyways, with that being said, let's just begin this video. But before I begin, you know what to do. Please make sure that you do subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and also hit the notification bell next to it so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And you can also follow me on Instagram to keep up with me. So yes, with that being said, let's just begin this video. Okay, so first I began with MAC Strobe Cream as my moisturizer. As for winter, I like to go for dewy looking skin, as I've got combination skin. It's my personal preference. You can use any other you like. I love how healthy and glowy it makes my skin look, as you guys can see. So now I'm taking my OG LA Girl Orange Corrector to correct my dark circle and pigmentation around my mouth and little bit on the sides of my forehead, and also blending it out with a buffing brush. This brush is from Real Techniques, by the way. Once it's done, now it's time for my foundation. So I'm using LA Girl's HD Longwear Illuminating Foundation, the longest name of life. I'm taking 2 pumps on the back of my hand and applying it with a brush all over my face, and then taking a damp, never dry beauty blender and blending it first on one side of my face. And as you guys can see it already, how glowy this foundation is. I love it. Once I have done blending whole of my face, this is how my face looks, and you can check the names and the shades of the products which I have used in the description box, guys. So now let's do the eyebrows. I'm using Maybelline's Fashion Bro Pomade Crayon. With the pack angular brush, I'm taking the product onto the brush and then shaping my eyebrows. You can use it directly as well if you have thicker eyebrows. I have full review of this product on my channel. Click I button on the right hand side of the corner of the screen if you are interested to watch the video, or you can also check the link in the description box. Now to set my eyebrows in place, I'm using 24-hour brow setter from the Benefit. It's a clear brow gel. I have been using it recently. I can't speak much about it, but currently I am liking the product. And recently I'm doing this shaping of my eyebrows with concealer, and I'm kind of liking the look with it, so that's why I thought of showing you guys here. So what I do is I use little bit of concealer. I don't do it above my eyebrows, I just do it below my eyebrows, because I don't like to sculpt very precisely, otherwise it looks very fake. And I'm using the first shade from the Urban Decay's Naked Basics palette, eyeshadow palette. Now taking the shade Faith from the same palette, I'm using it onto the crease, and once it's done, now I'm taking the shade Extra Bitter on top of that shade to make it more warm. I like warm eyeshadows on my eyes, so that's why I'm making it more warm. I'm not going too dramatic. Taking a clean fluffy brush, blending both the eyeshadows together. Now as usual, I'm using my Color Bar liquid liner for my liner today, and I'm also gonna do my wings. And for my wings, I'm taking L'Oreal super liner. It's a duo liner. On one side there is ink liner, and the other it's a colored liner. This is in gold, but you can also get in black as well as in silver. I like this liner. It was easy to draw wings with it. As you can see, I didn't struggle that much. It is quite of very easy for me to draw the wings. I usually like to draw my wings with NYX Epic ink liner, or maybe Hyper Sharp liner by the Maybelline, but I really like this. This was the first time I used it, and I kind of enjoyed using it. And once I'm happy with how my both wings are looking, then I'm gonna tightline my upper waterline with Plum Nature Studio Kajal, which is my current favorite. And I love my Maybelline Colossal Kajal, but after that This one is my new favorite. And now for my face contouring, I'm using I'm gonna cream contour, by the way. So this is Body Shop's shade adjusting drops. These are darkening one. They also come in lightening. I'm putting few dots onto my face, and these are highly pigmented. I don't want to mess up, so little goes a long way. I'm blending these dots with my Real Techniques foundation brush. These are very easy to blend, and even it won't move your foundation around. If you like cream contouring, I highly recommend this product. And if you find these expensive, because they are for 1800 bucks, but if you find them expensive, I think you should go for LA Girls concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. It does the same job, but this one, I am impressed with this. So once the blending is done, for my concealer, I'm going to use LA Girl concealer under my eyes, onto the sides of my nose, under where my contour will be, a little bit onto my forehead, and also around my mouth. And going to blend everything out with my damn beauty blender. Again, these concealers are really great for the price. Once I'm done blending these concealer out, I'm in the mood for cream products today. So for my cream highlighter, I'm taking Maybelline's Master Chrome. It's not Master Chrome, it's Master Strobing Cream. Taking a little bit on the back of my hand and dabbing it onto my cheeks for the flush of glow. And as you guys can see how fresh and glowy it looks. Also adding it to the chin and also onto the tip of my nose, why not? So now once we are done using all the cream products, let's now set everything in place with the powder. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder to set my concealer in place. I'm not going to bake, just pressing the powder onto my skin. So wherever I have concealed, only there I'm going to set my powder, not all over my face, not place, not all over my face. So now to set my contour in place, I'm taking the Bahama Mama bronzer by the Balm Cosmetics and pretty much going to set wherever I have used cream contour, which is where my cheeks, my forehead, my jaws, and also onto the sides of my nose. So I like grayish tone kind of a contour powder for contouring. And to add warmth back to my face, I'm taking the Sunny bronzer by the Essence Cosmetics. It's a Sun Club bronzer, which is my OG. I have used a lot on my channel. If you have been following me for a while, you know that I freaking love this product. Can't even beat the price for the product, for sure. Now let's finish off the eyes. I'm taking the shade Faith and Lockout and applying them below my lower lash line to add dimension to my eyes, as I'm not going to line my lower waterline, which I usually do a lot. And I like to do this as it makes my eyes stand out more. I have smaller eyes, so that's why I like to do it. And after this, I'm taking smudger brush and taking the shade Lockout and smudging under my lower lash line. Once this is done, I'm taking Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama to coat my upper and lower lashes, not waterline. This mascara takes the life out of me to get it out. It's freaking amazing. It makes my lashes looks amazing, but it has also pulled out a lot of my natural lashes, but I love it, so that's why I'm using it. So now to set everything in place, I'm using Pack Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. You need this in your life, guys, if you haven't got this already. I know I'm late to this party. It is such a fine mist for your makeup. Apart, it makes you glowy. I love that. And it also smells so, so good. For my lashes, I'm using Befold and Foaming Lashes. I got them from Amazon. Check the link in the description box. Highly recommend them. Also, they are super, super, super affordable. Now for my highlighter, I've got two choices. Sephora highlighter and Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. You can see its review on my channel. If you want to, click I up here and you can see the review. But today I'm going to use Sephora highlighter, which is in the shade Delicate Glow. I'm loving this a lot right now. Just look how shiny it makes you look, like a doll with just one dip, without any spray or anything. You need to get this. I don't know if Sephora India carry this or not. I got mine from Sephora Singapore. I also added a little bit onto my nose as well, and also on my chin, and went all out with it. Like, I am obsessed with this highlighter. Highly recommend it. Now for my blush, I went with the last shade from the L'Oreal Infallible Blush Palette. It adds life to the cheeks, so why not a blush? I can't skip on using a blush these days. Once I'm done, I sprayed my face one more time to set everything and not to look cakey at all. Once it dries, I took off my lip balm from my lips, and I had three lipsticks to choose from, which I am currently loving. First is NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Vintage Retro. Second one is MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade High Drama. I used to love this 2 years back, and again I have found my love for it. Stila's liquid lipstick in the shade Chianti is my third favorite, but I am gonna use MAC High Drama. And we want all the drama right now, and you can see that how instantly it changed my look with dark vampy lips. Okay, so this is it, and this is how I like to do my makeup when I go out for dates or for parties. Let me know how you guys like it. I am obsessed with it. I cannot wait to wear this makeup and go out. Actually, I want to go out right now, but I cannot. My husband is out on work. Give this video a big thumbs up, guys, if you have enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section if you have any video ideas you want me to film for you, and also let me know which product you like the most. And yes, with that being said, I'll see you very soon.